Hi everyone. Our project is about automatic street light system. As we all know that the 28 to 30% of the electricity has been consumed by street lights. To avoid the wastage of the consumption of electricity and to reduce the manpower and to control the pollution provided by the lights, we implement this project. The components of this project are LDR sensor, light dependent resistor, IR sensor, infrared sensor. This is Arduino microcontroller and it is breadboard and it is LCD display. And these two LEDs are considered as street lights in this breadboard.
Now we see the connections and functionalities of the devices used in this project. Sensor, the working of the sensor is it turns the physical parameters into voltage, and the voltage is converted into logical and digital data. It is an IR sensor, infrared sensor. It is easy to detect the object. It is an LDR sensor, light dependent resistor. It is used to detect the light. It is an Arduino Uno microcontroller. It acts as an interface between the input and output devices. It takes input from the sensors and switches and control the physical outputs like LCDs and LEDs. It is a breadboard. It is used to detect the it is used to make the test circuit test. Two LEDs we can see two LEDs are present on the breadboard. It is a jumper wise. It is a LCD liquid crystal display. It is used to display the output depending on the inputs provided by the sensors and Arduino microcontroller. Now we see the block diagram of this project. RPS refers to regulator power supply. If the power supply is supplied to the Arduino microcontroller, LDR and IR sensors are taken as input. The Arduino microcontroller produces the output in the output devices like LCD, and load 1 and load 2 considered as LED bulbs. Now we see the working of this project. It is an LDR sensor. If the LDR sensor detects the light, the LED bulb will not be glown, showing that it is a day mode, and the day mode will be displayed on the LCD. If the LDR sensor does not detect the light, showing that it is a night mode, one LED bulb will be glown. It displayed on night mode will be displayed on the LCD. In the night time, if the vehicle is or any object is detected through the IR sensor, the second LED bulb will be glown to provide more brightness in the street. Now we will see the implementation of this project. This is the code for the project. We need to compile and upload this code into the Arduino microcontroller. This is for compilation. We need to connect the port. We can see the port is connected. Now we will upload this code into the Arduino microcontroller.
As initially the title of our project automatic street light is displayed on the LCD. Now the implementation of the project. The LDR sensor now detects the light. Automatically the street lights are off. If we close the LDR sensor, the light is not detected and the object is detected. Then the two LEDs will be glown like this. And if the IR sensor is not detected any object, the only one street light will be glown and other is off. And again, if it is detects any object, the two LEDs bulb will be glown. From this project, we conclude that the power resources should be saved for our future generation. This should be implemented in every village and every city and town. Thank you, one and all.